मोहिंस टेक एजुकेशन। आज आपको मैं टॉप 50 इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स लाया हूँ। मैं ऐसे ही ऑल हिस्ट्री, जियोग्राफी एंड पॉलिटिकल साइंस, इकोनॉमिक्स जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं चैप्टर वाइज, उनके क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स लाता रहता हूँ। सो इस चैनल में आप नए हो तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए। ओके, मैं इसके अलावा जॉब नोटिफिकेशन, जॉब रिलेटेड क्वायरीज, लेटेस्ट गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स, डेली आने वाले जॉब के नोटिफिकेशन के बारे में हर समय वीडियो लाता रहता हूँ। सो आपको दो फ़ायदा है, एक क्वेश्चन और आंसर्स ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स एंड 8th 9th 10th 11th 12th के स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं इस वीडियो का फ़ायदा ले सकते हैं। सो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने से आपको बहुत कुछ नॉलेज मिलेगा, उसके साथ साथ अप्लाई करने के लिए जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस भी मिलेंगे। सो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। मैं फर्स्टली टॉप 50 इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स के बारे में बताऊंगा। In this article, objective questions on the Indus Valley civilization provided along the with answer. It will be useful for competitive exams class 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So first question देखिए friends. Indus Valley civilization was discovered in 1911, 1921, 1931, 1941. सो करेक्ट आंसर्स 5 सेकेंड टाइम दूंगा फ्रेंड्स, तो आंसर देने की कोशिश कीजिए। सो 5 4 3 2 1। इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन was discovered in option B 1921. Harappa is located on the banks of Ravi, Chenab, इंडस एंड सतलज। करेक्ट आंसर्स देखिए, मैं आपको टाइम दूंगा, आप आंसर देने की कोशिश कीजिए। 5 4 3 2 1। करेक्ट आंसर इज ए। हरप्पा इज लोकेटेड ऑन द बैंक्स ऑफ रावी रिवर। ओके, द ग्रेट बाथ ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन इज फाउंड एट Harappa, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, Roper. Correct answer is okay. Correct answer Mohenjo-daro. The great bath of Indus Valley civilization is found at Mohenjo-daro. Fourth question. Indus Valley civilization is also referred as urban civilization, Harappan civilization, Bronze Age civilization, Vedic civilization. Correct answer आपको टाइम दूंगा, आप आंसर करने की कोशिश कीजिए। 5 4 3 2 1। करेक्ट आंसर इज बी। इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन इज आल्सो रेफर्ड एज हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, मोहनजोदारो इज लोकेटेड ऑन द बैंक्स ऑफ बियास, इंडस, रावी, सतलज। So friends, correct answer is B, Indus. Mohenjo-daro is located on the banks of Indus River. Mohenjo-daro is located on the banks of Indus River. Sixth question, the dockyard was found at Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Ropar, Lothal. The dockyard was found at, आंसर देने की कोशिश कीजिए। So correct answer is D. The dockyard was found at Lothal. Seventh question, which of the following metal was unknown to the peoples of Indus Valley civilization? कौन सी मेटल इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के पीपल को मालूम नहीं था। ओके, कॉपर, आयरन, गोल्ड, सिल्वर। आंसर देने की कोशिश कीजिए। ये टॉप कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स एंड आपके जो 9th 10th 11th 12th के स्टूडेंट्स को भी बहुत कुछ हेल्प मिलेगा। ओके, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेटल वाज known to the Indus Valley civilization? आंसर इज आयरन। ओके, अननोन था ये आयरन मेटल इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के पीपल को। विच एनिमल वाज अननोन इन इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन? विच एनिमल वाज अननोन इन इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन? एलिफेंट, टाइगर, राइनोसोरस, लायन। सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, लायन। Lion animal was unknown in Indus Valley civilization. Okay, ninth question. The people of Indus Valley civilization had trade links with China, Egypt, Mesopotamia, Myanmar. Okay, the people of Indus Valley civilization had trade links with, आंसर देने की कोशिश कीजिए। So right answer is option C, Mesopotamia. Okay, right answer is Mesopotamia. Which of the following was used for transportation in Indus Valley civilization? Ships, bullock carts, boats, all of the above. Okay, which of the following was used for transportation? Which of the following was used for transportation in Indus Valley civilization? Option A, ships. Option B, bullock carts. Option C, boat. Option D, all of the above. So right answer is option D, all of the above. Okay. 11th question. Which archaeologist supervised the excavation at the Harappa? Okay, Dayaram Shaini, R.D. Banerjee, N.G. Majumdar, okay, S.R. Rao. So which archaeologist supervised the excavation of at Harappa? Okay, so correct answer is option A, Dayaram Saini. 12th question. The sites of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are found in India, Mesopotamia, Pakistan, Afghanistan. Okay, the sites of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are found in India, Mesopotamia, Pakistan, Afghanistan. So सही आंसर देने की कोशिश कीजिए। आप इस वीडियो को 1.25x 1.5x के स्पीड से भी देख सकते हैं, आपको जल्दी जल्दी आंसर चाहिए तो। ओके, so right answer is option C. The Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are found in, okay, the sites found in Pakistan. The largest site of Indus Valley civilization is Harappa, Rofar, Rakhigarhi, okay, Chanhudaru, the largest site of Indus Valley civilization. Correct answer is option C, Rakhigarhi. Okay, the largest site of Indus Valley civilization is Rakhigarhi. 14 questions. Mohenjo-daro was discovered by R.D. Banerjee, N.G. Majumdar, Dayaram Saini, J.P. Joshi. Mohenjo-daro was discovered by R.D. Banerjee, N.G. Majumdar, Dayaram Saini, J.P. Joshi. So correct answer is option A, R.D. Banerjee. Mohenjo-daro was discovered by R.D. Banerjee. Mohenjo-daro was discovered by R.D. Banerjee. Okay. Mohenjo-daro was discovered by R.D. Banerjee. Okay, मैं रिपीट करूँगा, आपको प्रैक्टिस भी होगा। बार बार वो जो क्वेश्चन रिपीट करने से आपके माइंड में बैठेगा, आपको इजी भी होगा। सो द फिगर ऑफ डांसिंग गर्ल वॉज फाउंड इन लोथाल, चन्हुदारो, मोहेंजोदारो, हरप्पा. The figure of dancing girl was found in. The figure of dancing girl was found in Correct answer is option C, Mohenjo-daro. The figure of dancing girl was found in Mohenjo-daro. The figure of dancing girl was found in Mohenjo-daro. The figure of dancing girl was found in Mohenjo-daro. Okay. 16th question. In Indus Valley civilization, the Pashupati seal was surrounded by which of the following animals? Okay. Elephant, 2 tiger, 3 rhinoceros, buffalo, deer. Okay. In Indus Valley civilization, the Pashupati seal was surrounded by which of the following animals? Okay. Select the answer from the following options. Okay. देखिए एलिफेंट 1 2 3, ऑप्शन बी 2 3 5, ऑप्शन सी 1 4 and 5, डी all of the above. So correct answer is option D, all of the above. Elephant, tiger, rhinoceros, buffalo, deer. Okay. In Indus Valley civilization, the Pashupati seal was surrounded by which? Elephant, tiger, rhinoceros, buffalo, deer. 17th question. In which of the following sites of Indus Valley civilization a statue of bearded man was found? Option A, Rofar, B, Kalibangan, C, Mohenjo-daro, D, Kot Diji. In which of the following sites Indus Valley civilization a statue of bearded man was found? सो करेक्ट आंसर देने की कोशिश कीजिए और आपको जल्दी आंसर चाहिए तो इस वीडियो को 1.25x और 1.5x के प्लेबैक स्पीड से इस वीडियो को चलाइए, आपको जल्दी जल्दी आंसर्स मिलेंगे. ओके. 17 क्वेश्चन का जो आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, मोहेंजोदारो. मोहेंजोदारो. ओके. 18th one. The figure of dancing girl found at Mohenjo-daro was made up of limestone. Okay. Steatite. Option C, bronze, terracotta. The figure of dancing girl found at Mohenjo-daro was made up of. Okay. आंसर देने की कोशिश कीजिए. Our correct answer is option C, bronze. The figure of dancing girl was found at Mohenjo-daro was made up of bronze. 19th question. The port city of Indus Valley civilization is Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Rofar, Lothal. The port city of Indus Valley civilization is, correct answer is option D, Lothal. The port city of Indus Valley civilization is Lothal. The port city of Indus Valley civilization is Lothal. What was the main food crop of people in Indus Valley civilization? What was the main food crop of people in Indus Valley civilization? Correct answer is option C, both A and B. What is wheat, barley? Okay. The main food crop of people in Indus Valley civilization is wheat, barley. 21st question. Which was the first Harappan site to be excavated by archaeologists? Mohenjo-daro, Harappa. Option C, Kot Diji. Okay. Option D, Chanhu-daro. Correct answer is option B, Harappa. Harappa city was the first Harappan site to be excavated by archaeologists. Harappa site. During which period the first phase of urbanization began in the India? Harappan period, Aryan period, Mauryan period, none. Okay, during which period the first phase of urbanization began in India? Okay, correct answer is option A, Harappan period. During Harappan period, the first phase of urbanization began in India. 23 question. Which of the following was worshipped by Harappan people? Option A, Pashupati. Option B, Mother Goddess. Option C, people. Option D, all of the above. करेक्ट आंसर देने की कोशिश कीजिए। Which of the following was worshipped by Harappan people? Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Pashupati, mother goddess, people. Okay, people paid. All of the above. 24th questions. Which was the only Indus city without citadel in Indus Valley civilization? Option A, Harappa. Option B, Kalibangan. Option C, Mohenjo-daro. Option D, Chanhu-daro. Which was the only Indus city without a citadel in Indus Valley civilization? Okay, correct answer is D, Chanhu-daro. Who was the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India during excavation in Harappa? Okay, who was Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India during excavation? So correct answer is okay. Option A, R.D. Option B, N.G. Majumdar. Option C, J.H. Mackay. Option D, John Marshall. So correct answer is option D, John Marshall. John Marshall was the Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India during excavation in Harappa. 26 questions देखिए. 6 rows of granaries were found in which of the following sites of Indus Valley civilization? Option Mohenjo-daro, option B Harappa, option C Kot Diji, option D Chanhu-daro. 6 rows of granaries were found in which of the following sites of Indus Valley civilization? Correct answer is option B Harappa. 27th question. Which of the following statements was correct about the Indus Valley civilization? Which of the following statement was correct about the Indus Valley civilization? A. Harappa people use burnt bricks in almost all kinds of constructions. Okay. Option B. Grid pattern was followed in constructions. Option C. Most of the Indus cities were well organized with elaborate drainage system. Option D. All of the above. करेक्ट आंसर देने की कोशिश कीजिए. So right answer is option D, all of the above. 28th question. In which Harappan site the two cemeteries S and R 37 were found? Okay. In which Harappan site the two cemeteries in which Harappan site the two cemeteries H and R 37 were found? Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kot Diji, Sutkagan, Dor. So correct answer is option A, Harappa. 29th question. Which Indus Valley civilization site is divided into 3 parts? Harappa, Dholavira, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan. Okay. So right answer is option B, Dholavira. Dholavira Indus Valley civilization site is divided into 3 parts. Okay. Which is the largest building in Mohenjo-daro? Great Bath, Assembly Hall, Granary. Option D, Mohenjo-daro Archaeology Museum. Which is the largest building in Mohenjo-daro? So correct answer is option C, Granary. 31st question. In which of the following was used for construction in Indus Valley civilization? Option A, stone. Option B, mud. Option C, burnt bricks. Option D, wood. So correct answer is option C, burnt bricks. Okay. 32nd question. Pashupati seal was found from which Harappan site? Pashupati seal was found from which Harappan site? Option A, Dholavira. Option B, Harappa. Option C, Lothal. Option D, Mohenjo-daro. So correct answer option D, Mohenjo-daro. Pashupati seal was found from which Harappan site is Okay, Mohenjo-daro. Option D. Which of the following statement was incorrect about the Indus Valley civilization? Wheat, barley were considered to be important crops. Option B. Animals like sheep, goat, and buffalo were domesticated. Option C. Iron was extensively used by Harappan people. Option D. There was a great progress in agriculture, industry, crafts, and trade. Okay, so correct answer is option C. Okay, which of the following statement was incorrect? इसके बारे में आपको पहले क्वेश्चन बताया हूँ. आयरन वॉज एक्सटेंसिवली यूज बाय हरप्पन पीपल. सो आयरन not used, okay, in Harappan civilization. Okay, 34th question. Which among the following sites revealed the evidence of flooded field? Okay, Kalibangan, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal. Which among the following sites revealed the evidence of flooded field? Okay, so right answer is option A, Kalibangan. 35th questions. मैच दी फॉलोइंग है. ओके, ऑप्शन ए मोहेंजोदारो, हरप्पा. ऑप्शन सी लोथाल, कालीबंगन. सो लिस्ट 2 में सीमेंट्री एज, फ्लज्ड फील्ड, डांसिंग गर्ल, डॉकयार्ड. सो करेक्ट करने की कोशिश कीजिए. सो राइट आंसर इज ओके. कोड्स देखिए, ABCD 3 1 2 4 4 3. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. ऑप्शन सी 3 1 4 2. मोहेंजोदारो, डांसिंग गर्ल, हरप्पा, सिमेट्री एच. रुको, हरप्पा, डांसिंग गर्ल, so right answer is C 3142. 3142. सो क्वेश्चन इज मैच द फॉलोइंग. देखिए, लिस्ट 1, लिस्ट 2, मोहेंजोदारो, हरप्पा, लोथाल, कालीबंगन. लिस्ट 2, सिमेट्री एज, फ्लज्ड फील्ड, सफिशिएंसी. ऑप्शन सो मैच द फॉलोइंग. 35th क्वेश्चन. मोहेंजोदारो, हरप्पा, लोथाल, कालीबंगन. लिस्ट 2, सिमेट्री एच, 2 फ्लज्ड फील्ड. ऑप्शन 3, डांसिंग गर्ल, 4 डॉकयार्ड. सो कोड्स देखिए, 3124, 4312. ऑप्शन सी 3142. ऑप्शन डी 2314. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी 3142. 3142. देखिए, मोहेंजोदारो, डांसिंग गर्ल, हरप्पा, सिमेट्री एच, लोथाल, डॉकयार्ड, कालीबंगन. ऑप्शन 2, प्लस फील्ड. ओके, so next question, 36. Cemeteries with pairs of skeleton was found in following Harappan site. So correct answer is option C, Lothal. 37th question. Match the following. Okay, So Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Lothal. So let's do Ghaggar, Bhogava, Ravi, Indus. These are the rivers. Okay. So right answer is option D. Option D, 3, 4, 1, 2. Harappa, Ravi river, okay, and Mohenjo-daro, Indus, Kalibangan, Ghaggar, Lothal, भोगवा. ओके, सो नोट करते जाइए. 38th क्वेश्चन. Which of the following Harappan sites are located in Gujarat? Dholavira, Sarkotada, Lothal, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, all of the above. 39th question. Which of the following Indus Valley civilization site is found in India? Option A, Kot Diji, Sutkagan Dor. Option C, Raki Gari. Option D, Harappa. Which of the following Indus Valley civilization site is found in India? So correct answer is option C, Raki Gari. 40th question. The script of Indus Valley civilization was option A, Kharoshthi. Option B, Brahmi. Option C, Bostrofedan. Option D, none. Correct answer is option C. Okay, Bostrofedan. 41st question. The Harappan site that did not follow the grid pattern is, okay, the Harappan site that did not follow the grid pattern. Okay, grid pattern. Option A, Banavali. Option B, Lothal. Option C, Kalibangan. Option D, Dholavira. So correct answer is option A, Banavali. Okay. Second question. Match the following: Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira, Raki Gari, Harappa. Haryana, Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat. Locations. These are the locations. Okay. So try to connect these followings. So right answer is option A, 3, 4, 1, 2. Mohenjo-daro, Sindh, Dholavira, Gujarat, Raki Gari, Haryana, Harappa, Punjab, Pakistan. Okay. 43rd question. Indus Valley civilization was called as Meluha by, okay, Mauryans, Mesopotamians, Aryans, none. So correct answer is Mesopotamians. Indus Valley civilization was called as, okay, Meluha by Mesopotamians. 44th questions. 44th question. Which site in Indus Valley civilization provide the evidence of bone of camel and pyre altars? Okay, Kalibangan. So correct answer is Kalibangan. 45th. Which Harappan site has revealed the evidence of bronze image of chariot? So correct answer is option G. Option D, Daimabad. Okay, Daimabad. Which Harappan site revealed the evidence of bronze image of chariot? Daimabad. 46. A clay model of floods was found in option C, Banavali. In which site the largest number of Harappan sites are found after the independence? Option D, Gujarat. Which among the following sites known for unique water management system? So correct answer is Dholavira. 49th question. Match the following: Chanhudaro, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa. S.R. Rao, N.G. Majumdar. 3. Dayaram Sahni. 4. R.D. Banerjee. So correct answer is option D, 2143. Okay. Chanhudaro, N.G. Majumdar, Lothal, S.R. Rao, Mohenjo-daro, R.D. Banerjee, Harappa, Dayaram Sahni. Okay. Chanhudaro, N.G. Majumdar. 50th questions, and this is a final question of this video. The Ahmedabad is situated on the left bank of which river? So correct answer is Pravara. Thank you so much watching my videos guys. इसी तरह मैं अगले भी पार्ट 2 लाऊंगा. सो आप इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए. आप इस वीडियो को वॉच करने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच. एंड इसी तरह नॉलेज पाइए. थैंक यू.